Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this fabulous Alliance, the 365. You talk about storage, outside, inside, you name it, storage. Look in the back also, the hydraulics, leveling system on it. It's a pretty unique product. Let's go inside and show you some features. Okay folks, here we go. We're inside. Right off the bat, there's your kitchen. Nice cabinets right there. Lots of storage again. Pantry. You got gas electric fridge. And then look at this here, a residential oven. Stove oven, 4 burners. Literally they have a turkey picture on it. Fits a turkey. So nice traffic flow really. Look at the ambiance between the kitchen and the living room, which is upper den. That gives you separation in colors. You got your dinette. That's really nice touch there with the chairs. I like that. Look at that carpet. No carpet. That means no toe problems. I guess you're not gonna jam your toe into it, or pets sometimes they snag on things. Anyways, we go upstairs and there is your TV. That's your beautiful windows everywhere. I like this setup. TV is in the right spot also. As we go back into through the kitchen, we're gonna go up into the bedroom and look at this bathroom, folks. This is really, look at that, Vegas style bathroom. Walk around bed, big huge closet, another TV, more storage in the look at this dresser with the storage underneath the shelving there. Here we go again, folks. There's a lot to tell you about this coach. Just give me a call when you get a chance at 541-515-1237. Thank you.